Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's just got delivered. This one's the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 carbon. So my son got a couple of the pairs, so I'm not sure what size is this one. And then this one was dropped on last Friday, October 2nd, 2020. And retail price on this is $220. The style number is FZ5000. So anyway, pretty excited to unbox this. Although this one was a massive drop from everywhere: Foot Action, Foot Locker, and then BBC, Adidas app, and Yeezy Supply. So the resale value is kind of low right now. So if he holds this for a while, I'm pretty sure the price is gonna go up eventually. So let's go ahead and open this up and then show you guys what the shoes look like. So like always, I'm gonna give you guys 360 view of the box real quick. You always get this 350 on the top, and then the Boost on the side. Although it's kind of a little dent, or there's indentation right there. And this one's the Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas, with the Adidas logo right there. Make sure the Adidas logo is right in the center. But unfortunately, some of the Adidas logo might be shifted to the right a little bit or left. And be sure to check out this cutout right here. It's almost like a bowl cut, which is rounded. And you got those 4 cutout indentation right there on the top. And then there's 2 of the vertical lines cutting down. And this side is blank. Also the bottom. There's a little crease line right here. Let's go ahead and check out the size label. And again, you got the Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas, and Adidas logo right there. I'm going to zoom in with this size label. So this one's size 9. By the way, it is not true to size. You want to go up half size up, okay? So if you wear 9, you want to go up 9.5. And then this one's made in China. Be sure to focus on the UPC code right there on the lower right hand side, and then the number. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Try to turn on the light. So this is what's the inside of the box look like. And then here's a dimension for the box. And you have 2 of this flap to lock into its place, so you cannot pull it out of the way. what? Some of the shoes lace come out or came out during the shipment. This is a regular shoes lace that you can tie yourself. Versus the one that came with it, you cannot. It's a self tie or self lace. I'm not sure how this come out, but I guess they didn't put it correctly. Oh, it doesn't close, that's why. So you got this like a yellow outsole right here on the bottom, and then here's your boots. And you got the boots right here, and then the Adidas. There you go. So be sure to look at the tag. The tag is on the left-hand side of the shoe. I'm not sure why they moved the shoes tree all the way back here. Let's check out the pattern. It's a different pattern right here on the top of the tongue right here. Also on the toe box. And this one is sealed up, the lace. So you need to just tuck it up. And then there's your 3M reflective right here by the back of the heel cup. So this one push your foot forward because that's why you need a half size up, okay? And here's the original tag that came with it. And be sure to look at the zip tie right here. It is pointed. And you can see through translucent right here on the midsole. Alright, so let's go ahead and take out the shoes tree. And you got the inner fabric right here. It is in black. And then there's your Adidas logo and Yeezy on the insole. Let's go ahead and take out the insole. And then check out the Adidas. And you have this YH-0010, 8.5 to 9.5. Be sure to look at the tiny dot. And also you got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cutout right here. Let's go and then check out the inside of the shoes. Yeah, make sure you have that U shape right there. Some of the fake one or UA, they don't have that, so be sure to look into that. And look at the stitching line. Make sure it's all perfect. Go ahead and focus on the size label. And this one's made in China. There's your style number under art FZ5000. Alright, so let's go and then move on to the other side. And this tissue paper is on one sheet, and it is flat, not glossy. Right here a little bit kind of smoother than the bottom side. This is more rougher. And then here's the other side. And again, look for the U shape right there. And then a size label. So yeah, there's a rubber cover right here of the tube. So once you slide this out, you can see how they sew it together. Or stitch it. Alright. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.